Hey guys, I caught a serious case of barber rash. As you could see here, I had to shave my head completely in order for me to get rid of it. So this video is all about the clippers I purchased in order to prevent having barber rash in the future. When I go to the barber shop, I just use my own clippers now, and I pay the barber to cut my hair with my own clippers, so that way I can prevent getting barber rash. Barber rash is also known as folliculitis. Feel free to Google that so you can see exactly how bad that is for your hair and your scalp and stuff of that nature. So I'm trying to prevent that. That has happened to me 3 times this year. So that's why I'm doing this video, to show you guys exactly the solution that I came up with in regards to that. And let's get into the video. Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves out there. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of a product that I use. It's a professional set of clippers. It's cordless clippers, of course. And the reason I got those is because I got folliculitis, and folliculitis is also known as barber rash. It's very annoying. Keep walking around with all these stupid bumps on top or on the back of your head. It's really stupid. It's to the point where I had to shave bald, and this is the 3rd time this year I've gotten it. And that's why I'm actually going to use these clipper sets to go to the barber shop and get them to cut my hair with them instead of their clippers, because you don't know, everybody uses it. So I don't know if it's something that's very contagious. I don't know much about it from what I Googled. So therefore, let me get into the review of these and definitely show you what these are about and exactly what the set consists of. So stay tuned, let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm reporting to you live from my sunroom table, so just bear with me here while we unbox this. I got the rose gold edition of the Suttik professional cordless clippers. The model number is JM2022, and those are pretty cool, to say the least. And when you open the box, you open it this way, and inside the box comes this cover here, and the big clipper, which is right here. You could adjust it up or down based on your liking. So that's pretty much the rose gold edition of it, and those are super heavy, and that's how it runs. It has a power button on the side of it, and as you can see, the amount in there is 71% battery life, because I used it to actually get my haircut earlier this week. But I just wanted to show you exactly how it looked like. That's the big one, to say the least. There's different heads, that goes with it, depending on your level, the amount of hair or beard that you have. There's actually 4 bags of attachments, clipper attachments, that are in there, so you can use those. And it's actually rechargeable by USB, and that's the part that goes in the bottom of the clipper itself. It goes right in here to charge. So that's pretty much it. It's very lightweight. They're great clippers. They don't make that much noise. They're very noise canceling, so they're awesome in that facet. And there's actually a set of 2 chargers, USB chargers in there, because there's a set of 2 clippers. There's the small one, which is perfect for trimming your beard, nose hair, you name it. That's also on rose gold as well, because I got the rose gold edition. So I got that on. You can take that off. There we go. That's how cool it is. And that charges at the bottom right there. That's how cool that is. And let's go continue the unboxing some more. Let's see what else is inside the box. Is this cleaning tool for both of them. I figured they would give you two, but they didn't. And also there's some heads for the clipper as well, the nose trimmer, and actually beard trimmer, not nose trimmer, right there. So there's actually 3 little heads in there that you can put in it. And I believe underneath there should be a hair thingy. So yep, there's actually a huge comb to comb your hair, and there's actually a hair catcher that underneath there. You could put it's practically like a bib that they put on you in the barber shop, that you could put on you and help prevent hair to get on your floors and stuff of that nature. So that's pretty much that as far as the box is concerned. Everything has a specific place that they go to inside the box. Like I mentioned, I used it earlier this week, especially the big clipper. And the reason why I like it is because of the decor and the barber decor and all of this stuff. So I was able to take this to my barber shop and tell them to cut my hair with it, which makes far more sense because I got tired of getting folliculitis, which is barber rash. I don't know what they're using their stuff with, but it definitely doesn't fit with my hair, especially now. So therefore I got tired of that and decided to make another move pretty much and decide to go this route. It's unfortunate that I have to do that, but that is what it is. I'd rather pay extra for me to use my own clippers than to be using other people's clippers and get other stuff, sort of bacteria in the back of your head. I would definitely suggest you do the same if you looking to do that, or if you're getting this kind of barber rash all the time. But yeah, it's very frustrating to say the least. But as far as these clippers are concerned, they're very great. I give them thumbs up. I was able to get a full bald cut, which is why I'm wearing a hat now. And also I was able to not only get the full bald cut, get my lineup done with the trimmer as well without any problems whatsoever. I was just, just had to pay a little extra. That's all good. But yeah, these are actually great clippers, and you'll get those for the simple price of, I believe I got those for about 50 bucks to be exact. Could be, I think it was under $50 to be honest with you. But it was a bargain buy for me, and I definitely like them and love them, especially the way they cut. My barber definitely was happy with them, and he was even able to get a set for himself, a new set for himself as well, so he can actually use. And if you're looking for the link will be in the description below as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy. All right, guys, have a good one. Peace.